Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax. Today we're in the community of Quarry Park. Now if you're a young professional, this is certainly a community that's on your radar. Situated perfectly with easy access to downtown, Deerfoot. Right behind me there's a nice view of downtown. Over here, the mountain view, and of course, Bow River. Now we're in the Estates area here. We're headed to 648 Quarry Way. Let's go take a peek. Hello, welcome. I'm so excited to show you all the special features in this home. It starts with this beautiful mosaic tile front entranceway. We have your mudroom right off the front door, as well as the half bathroom. You notice there's extra tall 9-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors in this home, which are really unique. I love this office space. This has become so popular in the last year or so. Good windows, and with these barn doors, you can have a little bit more privacy. Now welcome to the main living space here. Beautiful spot for your dining room table. Now this opens to your covered backyard, and you'll notice it's actually on the greenbelt, so there's no neighbors back there. It's very private. Now this is one of the largest living room kitchen combos that I've seen. There's a ton of extra space here. It's very, very wide. Love this fireplace here. This is certainly keeping me warm today. And of course, this kitchen was totally upgraded with a quartz island, seating for at least 5 people or so. All these cabinets and drawers are all soft close. Love the stainless steel appliances. And of course, your walk-through pantry, which was a big upgrade. And this side's onto your mudroom here. Now all this shelving does come with the home. Now your garage is oversized as well. You can notice all the extra space on either side of the door, the epoxy flooring, and there's actually about a half a bay here, which you could put a quad or a boat or a toy. The ceiling's actually tall enough for a lift as well. So the basement was all professionally completed as well. I love the acid wash floors, the fireplace feature wall. We've got nice and tall ceilings down here too, so a great games room, theater room. There's a full bathroom and a full bedroom down here as well. And what's cool about this bedroom is not only does it have a walk-in closet, but it also has a really cool homework nook, games room, storage, hobby room. A great place for the kids to enjoy. Now let's go take a peek upstairs. Okay, upstairs features 4 large bedrooms. Here's the first one here. You notice the great size, good closet space, windows, beautiful laundry space with lots of storage. This is my favorite room of the home, bonus room. I love all these windows. This is west facing. Usually you get a good view of downtown, the mountains, the Bow River. Here's your second bedroom here. Another great size room, same as the third here. So no children are going to be fighting over bedroom sizes, or the bathroom for that matter, with the double ensuite, all upgraded as well. And of course, our beautiful master retreat. Fits a king bed. I love this little balcony space. Now this is east facing, so great spot for your morning coffee. I told you we're on the greenbelt, you have no neighbors back there. Very private and beautiful. And a spa ensuite. We've kept the quartz up here as well. The shower is spectacular with 3 shower heads. I don't even know how many people you can fit in there. Beautiful standalone tub. And of course your walk-in closet. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about this home in particular or would like to book a viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.